What's going on, you guys? It's Hiram coming at you again with another video. This time we're going to be talking about ways that you can be making money during this crisis. Some of these are going to be including jobs that you can still apply for right now and be making money through that. And some of these ways are going to include how you can actually make money straight from home during the quarantine. But before I get started, I just want to say that I really took the time and effort to research all of these legitimate ways that you can be making money from home. So if you guys don't mind just liking the video and subscribing to the channel, I would really appreciate it. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you one more bonus way that you can be making money from home. All right, well, let's get into it. As many of you guys know, the unemployment rate in the United States has skyrocketed. It's gone now up to 26 million Americans that are unemployed. To give you an idea of what that really looks like, in the 2008 crisis, there was about 15.3 million Americans that were unemployed. So we have far surpassed that by now. So many are left to wonder what to do and how are they going to make money and be self-reliant and take care of their families now. Well, I am a big believer of not being a victim of circumstance, even under the circumstances that we find ourselves in right now. That's why I took the time to come up with this list of ways that you can make money so that you can truly find something that you think you'd like and be able to make yourself some money even during this pandemic and this quarantine. All right, so way number one that you can start making money is by working at grocery stores or convenience stores. Yep, that's right, I said it. And that's because grocery and convenience stores right now are in such high demand because they're providing all of the basic family and home needs that everybody needs right now. Shout out to my mom because she actually is a manager of a convenience store right now and she's always looking for help. And I know that that's not the only store. I also want to give a shout out to my mother-in-law because she works at Walmart tirelessly. And she tells me all the time that they're so busy and they're always looking for help. And although that's here in Texas, I know that that's the case in many other states as well. Okay, so way number two that you can start making money is by becoming a pizza delivery or Uber Eats driver. I know delivery drivers could be making a good amount of money, especially right now. And from what I've researched, up to $45,000 a year. To me, that's not bad. Especially if you want to find a job where you're kind of working alone and all you're doing is just driving up and down. All right, way number three that you can start making money, and this is really a no-brainer, guys. Actually, these past two also have been a no-brainer, but you can start working with Amazon. When I was coming up with this video idea, I was actually thinking about Amazon right away. And so all I did was go into my phone, click Amazon jobs on Google, and I was immediately brought to the Amazon website where they say that they're hiring up to 75,000 people and you don't need a resume or any work background and you can get paid up to $15 an hour. Now, if Amazon doesn't suit you or if that's not available in your area, just go into Google and type in jobs near me. Seriously, if you do this, a couple of jobs will start lining up through Google for you and you can just start clicking on the one that you think you'd be interested in. But guys, if you're really hurting for money, there's no way that you can say that these jobs are not for you. Because if you really, really need that money, you need to set that pride aside and really look into how you're going to be able to be self-reliant during these times and be able to take care of yourself and your family. So put aside that part of you that thinks that this is not your line of work and get your butt off the couch and get to work. All right, now I'm going to be getting into more of the ways of how you can be making money from home during this quarantine. Okay, so way number five that you can be making money, and this is from home, is through the website Fiverr. If you guys have never heard of Fiverr, I'm sure some of you have and some of you haven't, but Fiverr is basically an app or a website where you can create an account and sell your services and skills online. Let's just say, for example, somebody was putting together a piece of music and they needed a singer and they can't find anybody, and especially during this quarantine, they can't get together with a singer. Well, they would post on Fiverr that they're looking for a singer and you can promote yourself saying that you are a singer and provide some samples of what you sound like, and then they can hire you for whatever price that you set. And then they would send a music file over to you, you would sing over it, and then you would send that file back. It's not just for music though. Fiverr really provides a lot of services and a lot of skills. If you're really good with building websites or designing websites, you can also get on Fiverr and sell your services there for someone that's looking to have a website built for them. If you're a good voice actor and your voice is really well, You can provide samples of your voice, and you can do voiceovers for any movie projects or video projects that someone is needing. But really, there's just a lot. So you'd have to go in there. I'm going to provide a link down below so you can just get on there, create an account, and be able to look at what kind of services you can provide or skills that you can provide for a set price. Okay, way number 6 that you can start making money is by teaching English to other kids and children that don't know how to speak it. One of the websites that I know and that I'll provide again down below is called VIP Kid, where you can teach, I believe, Chinese students how to speak English online. You guys would coordinate a time together, and you basically teach them English through the laptop. So that's something that's very practical for any stay-at-home mom or for anybody that's not working right now to do. And way number 7 that you can make money online is by doing what I'm doing. Start a YouTube channel or start a podcast. Really and truly, these aren't going to make you money right away. This is something that you kind of have to build towards. But if you're looking for a creative outlet and you're looking for something to do during this quarantine time, you can start making videos. Find your own niche and start making videos about something that you're interested in. And little by little, if you're consistent and you provide value in your videos, you can begin to start getting money from it. Now, podcasts, I believe, pretty much work the same way. Speak your mind. You don't even have to show your face on a podcast. And I don't know exactly how you start making money through podcasts, but there's a ton of videos on YouTube, a ton of blogs about how you can start making money through podcasts. So if that's something that you feel like you want to do, you want to voice your opinion, you like to talk, you want to be heard, that might be something you might consider doing. All right, and way number 8 that you can start making money is not for everyone, but this is something cool that I saw through my banking app. And so this may be something that some of you guys might be able to qualify for. But on my banking app through Bank of America, I was able to see that one of the credit cards they're offers me a $200 cash rewards bonus offer just for applying. So I can make $200 just by opening a credit card account through my bank. Yeah, there might be some requirements there. I might have to spend $1,000 within the first 3 months or something like that. But that's a free $200 that I can make. And I'm sure that there's other credit cards and other bank accounts that might offer the same thing if you just open a bank account or open a credit card with them. And for many of you that are fearful about opening up a credit account or getting a credit card, you shouldn't be, especially if you have around a 700 credit score. If you open up a credit card and you never use it, nothing's going to happen to your credit score. Nothing bad's going to happen. So that should be a no-brainer for you to just qualify or apply for a credit card and then qualify for it and get your $200 cash reward bonus. All right, way number 9 that you can start making money just by being at your house. I see many of you guys doing this already, is by selling the stuff that you have at your house that you don't even use. Sell it on eBay, sell it on LetGo, sell it on Facebook Marketplace. There's a ton of platforms where you can be selling your stuff, and there's people that are actually making money through it. Obviously, you can't be selling a bunch of crap, all right? But I know guys that are making money by selling their TVs that they don't use anymore, or PlayStation 4s, any electronics like that, or clothing items, anything like that. If you're selling it for a lower price than people would get it from Amazon or any other retail place like that, then you're going to be making money. And way number 10 that you can start making money is by offering to sell your services online. Again, I see some people doing this already on Facebook and other social media platforms. And what I mean by this is, for example, mowing somebody's lawn. Okay, you can post online that you're mowing lawns for a certain set price and then make an agreement with somebody and then go over to their house, mow their lawn, and receive payment without ever having to come in contact with the actual person. The ways that I've been seeing people do this is basically by going out and mowing lawns or washing people's cars. If you stuck around this long, I'm going to give you guys that extra bonus way that you can start making money. And that is really and truly by having your money make you more money. And the way that I like to do that is by putting it in the stock market. Guys, I have seriously enjoyed putting my money in the stock market and watched it grow, especially right now where a lot of companies are being traded at a discount price. I'm by no means a big player in the stock market. I'm also just barely getting started and learning. For me to be completely transparent, all I have invested in the stock market is $1,500. Okay, I have bought a couple of shares in some oil companies. I have bought shares of Disney. I have bought shares of Delta Airlines and AT&T. So really, those are the only companies that I have started investing in. But it's just so fun to begin to learn, to watch people comment on those companies that I'm investing in, to see the news of those companies that I'm invested in, and just to see my money go down or go up. I mean, really and truly what I'm doing is just investing for the long run. So if I'm investing right now that things are super low, I'm not focused if they're going to go lower or what they're going to do here in the short time. What I'm focused on is what they're going to do in the long run. And from what I can see in history is that every time that they go down, they're going to start going up eventually. And so just hold out for the long run if you're invested in the stock market. I'm going to put down my link below for the platform Webull, where you can start investing right away without any commissions. It's all for free. You can start investing with $5 or $20. It doesn't matter. But as soon as you invest $100, they're going to give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400, guys. So if you guys really want those free stocks or that free money, go ahead and click on the link down below on the Webull investing platform and get your 2 free stocks and start investing right now. Have your money make you more money. All right, well, those are all the ways that I researched you can be making money, whether it is through a job or from home. And it really is no excuse now that you can be making money during this crisis and during this quarantine. All right, guys, so I hope you found some value in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.